Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pheasant in an air fryer. First, ensure your pheasant is fully thawed, then rinse it under cold water and pat it completely dry with paper towels. For extra moisture and flavor, you might consider brining the bird for 12 to 16 hours. Before cooking, lightly brush the pheasant with olive oil and season it generously with your favorite blend of herbs and spices, like garlic powder, paprika, and Italian seasoning. Once your pheasant is prepped, it's time to add flavor. Rub a generous amount of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning all over the bird, including inside the cavity. For an aromatic touch, you can also place half a lemon and a few sprigs of fresh thyme or rosemary inside. Next, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 190 degrees Celsius, for approximately 5 minutes to ensure even cooking. Carefully place your seasoned pheasant into the preheated air fryer basket, initially breast side down. Cook it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After this initial period, flip the pheasant so it is breast side up and continue cooking for another 15 to 25 minutes. The total cooking time will be around 30 to 40 minutes, or until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your pheasant is beautifully cooked and has reached the target internal temperature, carefully remove it from the air fryer. Transfer the bird to a cutting board and allow it to rest, uncovered, for 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and succulent pheasant. Then, carve and serve your perfectly air-fried pheasant.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.